What if an AI could smell disease before symptoms even appear? Not with a nose, not with a sensor you can see, but by analyzing chemical patterns in the air you breathe. This is the next revolution in medical AI, artificial intelligence that can smell. Humans can detect around 10,000 scents. Dogs? Around 100,000. But AI can detect millions. Patterns so subtle that no living creature can sense them. The breakthrough started with cancer detection. Doctors noticed that trained dogs could smell certain cancers with surprising accuracy. Scientists wondered, if a dog's brain can decode these chemical clues, could a machine do it better? So researchers built electronic noses, tiny devices that detect chemical compounds in a person's breath. At first, the readings were chaos, too much information, impossible for humans to interpret. But for AI, it was a gold mine. Machine learning models were trained on thousands of breath samples, from healthy patients, sick patients, recovering patients. Eventually, the AI learned something extraordinary. Each disease has a unique chemical fingerprint. Lung cancer, breast cancer, ovarian cancer, Parkinson's, even COVID-19. All of them release microscopic compounds into the air, and the AI can smell them. In one experiment, an AI detected cancer with 95% accuracy just from a single breath. In another, a neural model identified Parkinson's disease years before symptoms appeared, purely through scent. Then things escalated. Scientists discovered that other AIs could smell stress, anxiety, aging, diet, and even early signs of neurological decline. AIs that can smell emotions. AIs that can smell infections before a fever starts. AIs that can smell metabolic changes invisible to any test. But then came the next leap, ambient disease detection. Instead of analyzing a breath sample, the AI analyzes the entire room. Smart vents, air purifiers, wearables, hospital corridors, airport terminals. Anywhere with airflow becomes a diagnostic tool. Imagine walking into a hospital, and the air itself checks you for disease. Or stepping into an airport where invisible AI noses scan thousands of travelers at once. This could save millions of lives, but it also opens the door to something more unsettling. Because if AI can smell disease, it can also smell everything else. Your alcohol level, your stress level, your hormone changes, your medication, your biological age, your fertility, your diet, your addictions, your anxiety, your mood, your health secrets, an entire portrait of your biology, reconstructed from the invisible chemicals around you. Some governments already want to use this for border security. Some corporations want it for employee screening. Some insurance companies want it for pricing policies. The question becomes, who owns your scent data? Because your chemical signature is more personal than your DNA. It reveals things even you may not know about yourself. And now AI can read it. Silently, passively, anywhere air moves. Some researchers warn that this could become the most powerful surveillance tool in history. A world where you can be diagnosed, monitored, or profiled without consent. Others see it as the greatest medical breakthrough since antibiotics. A world where disease is caught early, treatment begins sooner, and countless lives are saved. Either way, one thing is clear. Artificial intelligence isn't just seeing and hearing the world. It's learning to smell it, and soon every breath you take could become part of the algorithm. This is AI Chronicles, daily stories from the frontier of artificial intelligence. Subscribe now before the air starts listening.